Hello friends, here this video is represents the Chinese apps banned in India. Here we're talking about the Chinese apps which are recently banned by Indian government in India. Is a list of Chinese apps banned in India. Total 59 apps are banned in India, and in this video we are talking about the best alternatives of these Chinese apps. The first topic is regarding Chinese browser app, UC browser and DU browser, which is banned by Indian government. And the best alternatives of these: first Google Chrome, second Firefox, and third Puffin browser. Apps can be used in place of these Chinese apps. Here is the second topic is regarding file transfer banned Chinese apps. First is ShareIt and second one is Zender app. And best alternatives of these apps are Files Go app and GeoSwitch app. Both can be used in place of these Chinese apps. And in this list, the third one is UC News browser app, which is banned in India, and there is best alternative for this app, Google News app, which can be used in place of this. Fourth, phone cleaner app, which is banned in India, Clean Master, and DU Speed Booster app, which is totally banned in India. And here is the best alternative of these two apps are CC Cleaner and Files Go app by Google. These two apps can be used in our phone as a phone cleaner app. And in our fifth topic, Viva video editing Chinese app, which is banned in India. And here's the best alternative of this app is first one InShot app, second one is KineMaster, and third is Power Director app, which is mostly used in India. In our sixth topic, here is the Club Factory app, which is known as shopping app and is also banned in our India. Here is the best alternative of this app is Flipkart, second one is Amazon, and third one is Myntra app. These can be used in place of Club Factory app. In our seventh topic, the most usable Cam Scanner app, which is scanning app, is also banned in our India. And here's the best alternative of this app is first one Adobe Scan, second one is Google Drive app. Both can be used as scanning app. And our eighth topic is regarding video making banned Chinese app. Is the most popular app. Any guess, friend? TikTok. It is also banned in our India. It is the most popular app. And here is the best alternative of TikTok. First one is Chingari app. It can be used for video making, and second one is Robso app. It can also be used for video making app. So friends, in this video I am trying to suggest you all the best alternatives of these Chinese apps. So I hope you all like this video. So please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks for watching, and press the bell icon for more videos.